Think the many benefits of impact windows are just limited to hurricane protection? Well, think again. And while having impact windows means you'll not only avoid the hassle of hanging metal shutters and giant sheets of plywood, impact windows will provide benefits that go way beyond. Impact windows enhance the quality of life and home, and may be the single best investment a homeowner can make.
The fact that the hurricane season was here, we felt like we needed to deal with that, and having the shutters was fine. Having the impact windows, I just felt that would be a better protection.
I feel really, really safe with this impact window. For example, my husband was in New York, and I don't have nothing to concern about after that because I feel like being protected inside my house, and I don't have the hassle anymore with the shutters. And now it's just beautiful indoors, quiet, and like I said, very protected and beautiful sounds, nice and smooth in the house.
Joseph Amir of USA Home Improvement, a leading South Florida installation company, knows firsthand the added level of protection, security, noise reduction, and energy savings that impact windows provide. His company has installed in thousands of homes.
Living in South Florida, we get the sunshine and the beaches, but we also get the hurricanes. Replacing your impact windows actually has many benefits. The most important one is peace of mind, knowing that you don't have to deal with those hurricane shutters anymore. Every time that there's a hurricane, you know that you could just sit down and relax and just let that storm pass by. There are other many benefits that come with that, such as noise reduction, energy efficiency, increased protection, aesthetics and appearance, insurance discounts. I mean, the list is endless.
South Florida homeowners also know the higher resale value impact windows can provide.
I know that the resale value will go up exponentially because I have the impact windows. And what I didn't realize was that my electric bill was going to go down almost 20% since I've had the impact windows.
And so is the insurance as well.
And when it came to the installation of their impact windows, Michael and Lucy choose a South Florida company whose local reputation is second to none, USA Home Improvement.
After I got my price, about 3 days later, I get a phone call from a girl named Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. What can I do for you? She says, no, I'm your project manager. Well, what does that mean? I'm gonna let you know what's going on. Every week I'm gonna call you. Is it okay if I call you at 3 o'clock on Tuesdays? Oh yeah, that's great. Every Tuesday, 3 o'clock, I got a phone call from this girl letting me know what was going on, when it was being shipped, when it was being installed. Elizabeth and USA Home Improvement did the whole thing. Next thing I knew, they would come into my house to deliver them.
USA Home Improvement carries the ES brand name, one of the world's leading manufacturers of impact windows.
The 5 tallest buildings in Miami all have one thing in common, and that's the ES Windows brand name. And so you could rest easy, rest comfortably, knowing that your home is going to be protected with quality and with comfort.
While Michael and Lucy didn't need financing to add impact windows to their home, many South Florida families do. USA Home Improvement has earned Y Green Financing's Elite Contractor Seal of Approval, a huge financial advantage for Florida homeowners.
Thank you, Y Green, for recognizing us as a elite contractor. Much appreciated. Looking forward to a very long, prosperous business relationship. Thank you so much.
One hurdle many customers have trouble getting over is really the money factor. And what they don't realize is, it doesn't matter who you are, you can get financing. With Y Green and with our elite contractor status, we're able to give you the lowest interest rates, and we also can 0 down, 100% financing. You really can't go wrong. These home improvements, they're gonna increase the quality of life, and so you have both. The money's being taken care of, and then you're also getting what you want.
If you'd like additional information on how impact windows can enhance your quality of life and home for years to come, visit usahomeimprovement.com. And to view this segment again, visit us online at designingspaces.tv.